See integral formula. So we did only 1 or 2 problems, I guess. You can just take down. Evaluate using Cauchy integral formula. Evaluate using Cauchy integral formula. Integral over C 3z minus 1 divided by z cube minus z into dz. Evaluate using Cauchy integral formula. Integral over C 3z minus 1 divided by z cube minus z into dz, where C is
Ma'am, are
first
you
two.
sharing a screen?
Yes, it's
No,
not
ma'am,
there.
your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Everyone,
Ma'am, it's
It is
visible.
visible.
Ma'am, it's visible. Ma'am, it's visible.
integral over C 3z minus z cube minus z into dz. For the first subdivision is mod z equal to 1 by 2. And second subdivision it is mod z is equals to 2. Okay, so first of all, I will rewrite this function in the normal form, because you know that the Cauchy integral formula. What do you know about the Cauchy integral formula? We know that the Cauchy integral formula is given by, what is Cauchy integral formula? Can anyone tell me what is the Cauchy integral formula? 1 by f of a is equals to 1 by 2 pi I integral over C f of z dz divided by z minus a. This is your Cauchy integral formula. Now compare this. So this and this doesn't have the same form of z minus a. So what I will do is I will take this function. Okay, I will take this function. I'll try to split into partial fractions and I'll rewrite the function in this form. I'll rewrite the function in this form. That is my idea. Okay, so now I will take 3z minus 1 divided by z cube minus z. So how can I write it? 3z minus 1, z I can take it outside, I can write it as z square minus 1. So I can write it as 3z minus 1, z into z plus 1 into z minus 1. Okay, 3z minus 1 into z plus 1 into z minus 1. Okay, so after that I will split it into partial fractions. When I split it into partial fractions, so 3z minus 1 will be equal to by z into z plus 1 into z minus 1 will be equal to a by z plus b by z plus 1 plus c by z minus 1. Come on, find out the values of a, b and c and give it to me. Put z is equals to 1. This term and this term will become 0. Here it will become 2c. 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 is equals to 2c. So what did I say? Z is equals to 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 it will be. Sorry. 3 minus 1, 2. C is equals to 1. Now you can compare the coefficient of z square for b, or you can put z is equals to minus 1 also. When you put z is equals to minus 1, you will get minus 4. Put z is equals to minus 1, you will get minus 4 this side. And here minus 1 means this term will become 0. Minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus 2b. So b is equals to minus 2. So what is the value you are getting? A equal to 1, b equal to minus 2 and c equal to 1. You're getting it? So what will happen to your function? Your function 3z minus 1 divided by z into z square minus 1 will split into a by z plus a by z. So what is your value of a? A is 1. So 1 by z. Then the second term is b by z plus 1. So minus 2 by z plus 1. And the third term is c. Okay, c value is 1 divided by z minus 1. Now listen, I have split this. Now what I will do, I will take according to whatever I need. So I need integral over c 3z minus 1 divided by z cube minus z into dz. So this will become integral over c 1 by z into dz minus integral over c 2 by z plus 1 into dz, then integral over c 1 by z minus 1 into dz. I will try to write now using the Cauchy integral formula. So I can write it as first the curve I'll take is mod z is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, mod z is equals to 1 by 2. I can write this as dz divided by z minus 0 minus integral over mod z is equals to 1 by 2. Here I can write it as 2 by z minus of minus 1. Yes or no? Z minus a I want, correct? 2 by z minus of minus 1 into dz. Then I can rewrite this as mod z is equals to 1 by 2. 1 by z minus 1, I can write it as such into dz. Now, okay, when I'm doing this, I can either do it directly or I can take separately and you can do it. Okay, so in the first integral, okay, in the first integral, I'll write it as 1, 2 and 3. So in the first integral, what is your f of z, ma? F of z is 1. What is the point a? A is 0, which is lying inside this or not?
Yes,
Which is
ma'am.
lying inside mod z is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, find out f of 0. F of 0 will also be equal to 1 because this is a constant function. In the second interval, what is your f of z? F of z is again equal to 2. What is your a? A equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1 lies inside or lies outside? Here
Outside,
given lies outside. Outside. Outside mod z is equals to 1 by 2. So need not even find out whatever your f of 2 will be equal to directly 0. In the third integral, what is your f of z? F of z is equals to 1. And what is your point a? Sorry, a equal to 1. A equal to 1, right? So which is lying inside or lying outside?
outside, ma'am.
Lying outside. Mod z is equals to 1 by 2. So therefore, your f of 1 will also be equal to 0. Now I'll come back to this. Okay. So therefore, integral over c, I want 3z minus 1 divided by z cube minus z, right? So z cube minus z into dz will be equal to, shall I write it directly? So this will be equal to integral over 2 pi I, right? So everywhere it will be 2 pi I. Okay. So I'll get 2 pi I into f of, what was the point, ma? F of 0 minus 2 pi I into f of minus 1 plus 2 pi I into f of 1. So this is equals to 2 pi I into, what is f of 0? F of 0 is 1. And all others it is 0 because this is 0. So this will be equal to 2 pi I. The answer will be equal to 2 pi I. Anyone has any doubts? Answer is equals to 2 pi I. Similarly, we'll go back to the second subdivision. What is second subdivision? Mod z is equals to 2. Okay, so I will do it from here. Here, this point I will take. Okay, so mod z is equals to 2. So what did I write for the second subdivision? Mod z is equals to 2. So I want integral over c 3z minus 1 divided by z cube minus z. This is equals to integral over into dz. This is equals to integral over a by is 1 by z, right? So f of z by z minus 0 minus integral over 2 by, why did I write f of z? So it is dz by z minus 0. It is 2 dz divided by z minus of minus 1. Then the last one will be integral over dz divided by z minus 1. Now what is my curve, ma? Integral over mod z is equals to 2. Mod z is equals to 2. So 3z minus 1 z cube minus z into dz. Here integral over mod z is equals to 2. I can write this as dz divided by z minus 0 minus integral over 2 dz divided by z minus of minus 1 mod z is equals to 2 integral over mod z is equals to 2 in dz divided by z minus 1. So again, similarly, I'll write it off here itself. It is 2 pi I into f of 0 minus 2 pi I into f of minus 1 plus 2 pi I into f of 1. Okay, so this is your first interval. This is your second integral. Sorry, this is your third integral. So in the first integral, z0 is a point lying inside this. What is your f of z here? F of z is 1. So in the first interval, f of z is equals to 1 and a is equals to 0 lies inside. Therefore, f of 1 is equals to 1 here. In the second integral, what is f of z? Again 1. What is your point a? What's your point a? A equal to minus 1. A equal to minus 1. Again, it also lies inside mod z is equals to 2. So what is your f of 2? That is also equal to 1. In the third interval, what is again f of z? F of z is everywhere it is 1 only, right? So everywhere it is 1. And what is your point? A equal to 1.
Ma'am,
A
for 2 it
equal
will
to
be
1
2, right?
also lies inside mod z is equals to 2. So therefore f of 2 is equals to 1. Here also f of 2 is equals to 1. Oh, sorry.
Ma'am, for
should write
second part it will be 2, ma'am.
I should write it as what is the point here? Minus 1. F of minus 1 will give you 1 and f of 1 also will give you 1. So therefore integral over c dz 3z minus 1 divided by z cube minus z into dz will be equal to 2 pi I into 1 minus 2 pi I into 1 plus 2 pi I into 1. So what it will be? Okay, one more. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
F of z is 2 here. Sorry, ma.
Yeah, ma'am, that's what I say.
I can do one thing. Instead of writing like that, I will do one thing. Instead of changing that, I will change it here. So I'll get minus 2 into this one. Correct? So here it will become minus 2 into 2 pi I into 1. So this will become 2 pi I plus minus 4 pi I plus 2 pi I. So what's the answer? 0. You all understood? Anyone has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, next one, evaluate integral over c e power 2z divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2, where c is a circle, mod z is equals to 3. Where c is a circle, mod z is equals to 3. Similarly, split this 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2, can split it as a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2. Find the value of a and b and give it to me. Find the value of a and b.
Ma'am, A and B will both be equal to minus 1 by 3, ma'am.
Both are minus 1 by 3. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
B equal to 1, A equal to minus 1.
A equal to minus 1 and b equal to 1. Correct. A equal to minus 1 and b equal to 1. So what will happen? I will write off the integral. So integral over c 2z divided by, wait, let me write it here. 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2 equal to minus 1 by z minus 1 plus 1 by z minus 2. Okay, now I'll rewrite this given integral. Okay, so your integral over c, integral over c, what I have? E power 2z. Okay, e power 2z divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 will be equal to minus integral over e power 2z divided by z minus 1 plus integral over e power 2z divided by z minus 2 z minus 2 into dz. Okay. Now this is all C. Now what is the curve given? It is given minus integral, sorry, mod z is equals to 3 e power 2z dz divided by z minus 1 plus integral over mod z is equals to 3 e power 2z divided by z minus 2 into dz. Okay. Now here, so here in the first integral, z is equals to 1 lies inside mod z is equals to 3. So therefore, what is your f of z? F of z is equals to e power 2z. Now what will be your point A? Sorry, here A. Point A. What is your A? A is 1. So it will be e power 2. E power 2. And similarly, in the second integral, z is equals to 2. So here A is equals to 2 lies inside mod z is equals to 3. Now find out what is f of z here. Again, f of z is same thing here, e power 2z. So find out f of 2. What will be f of 2? E power 4. F of 2 will be equal to e power 4. Therefore, integral over c e power 2z divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 into dz will be equal to integral over mod z is equals to 3, right? So mod z is equals to 3 minus I have minus e power 2z divided by z minus 1 into dz plus integral over mod z is equals to 3 e power 2z divided by z minus 2 into dz. So this is equals to minus 2 pi I into f of 1 plus 2 pi I into f of 2. So what you have got minus 2 pi I into what is your f of 1 ma? F of 1 is equals to e power 2. E power 2 plus 2 pi I into what is f of 2? E power 4. So you can take 2 pi I commonly outside. So you can write it as e power 4 minus e power 2. E power 4 minus e power 2. That's all. That is your answer. This is your given integral. Is it clear? Anyone has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
This is about quasi-integral formula. So next class we will see quasi-integral formula for derivatives. Okay. So now we'll take attendance. I'll pause the attendance directly, ma. That is better. Yesterday's class I have not posted. Fine. Yes. Vishwajit. Vishwajit. Akash Roy. Aviraj Singh. Surya Sai. Manipreetam. Manipreetam. Sankalp. Arun Arvind Kumar. Kila, Tilahun, Shreyans, Shantosh, Surya Gunanidhi, Dinesh Ram, Nitin Prakash, Nishant T, Sanjeet S, Taniru Prabhu, Aishwarya, Abhishek R,
Present, ma'am.
you're present. Anish Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
okay. For all others, I'm giving attendance. You all can leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
And
Thank you.
those who have doubts, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am. I had to discuss that some with you, ma'am.
1 minute, wait, dear.